it's windy out there. So I took off last night because I was restless and bored. So I threw my blankie and my pillow. Holy crap. Yeah. Wow. Now that was a gust. Anyway, as I was saying before I was rudely interrupted, I left last night, I don't know, 7 o'clock. Like I said, threw my blankie and my pillow in, and a couple of days worth of food, and off on a road trip. Yeah, starting a road trip at night, because I knew I wouldn't get up early, and I wanted to attempt something, and it didn't work, so I'm going to have to do it in a different manner, which I will post eventually. Anyways, oh man, this is going to be cold. Yeah, this is going to be real cold. Outhouses in minus whatever. Oh, there's a breeze coming from up inside there. Oh, Jesus. Good thing these things are made out of brick. Listen to that frickin' wind. Anyway. Oh my God, that was cold. Boy, oh boy. That's when indoor plumbing is really nice. There's parts down there that are going to be frozen for a little while. Oh man, I kid you not. I'm not so... Holy cow. You can even see the wind coming up through the toilet. That would have been a bad time for my mount to lose my phone. Anyways, here goes everything. Mind. Holy crap! By the jingles, that was cold. Anyway, onward. See you later. Hopefully not until summertime. Today I was planning on trying out a different kind of campfire for cooking, but not in this weather. We'll be cooking indoors tonight. Whoa. that's close to tipping the van over. Wow. Holy crap. Couple hours drive. So yeah, whiskey got. I'll have to tell you about this one. But it's time for me to make supper, and I didn't get to build a fire outside because of the wind, so we're cooking indoors. Woohoo! That'll warm up the van. Indoor cooking at its finest. Olive oil.
Te esperaré hasta mi día, te esperaré todo mi día, te esperaré hasta mi día.
All nice and shiny with that extra virgin olive oil. Can only be healthy.
Siempre estaré contigo.
So,
te esperaré hasta mi día, te esperaré todo mi día, te esperaré hasta mi día, te esperaré todo mi día. Todo el día, toda la noche, puedo dejarte pasarte todo el día, toda la noche, siempre estaré contigo. Todo el día y toda la noche, puedo dejarte pasarte todo el día y toda la noche, siempre estaré contigo.
all right. Can't see it all that well, but fried rice. With a can of shrooms. Why? Because I love shrooms. The piece de resistance. Anyway, dinner.